In America, hunger abounds, unfortunately.
The food rescue program is one way that we're working to help get the food to those families and individuals in need.
At the Montgomery County Food Bank, we want to provide hunger relief, and while we're doing that, we are doing amazing things in the world of sustainability.
Before the produce pod, a lot of perishable product was really going to waste. It's a portable walk-in cooler that we can drop at any of our agencies.
A food pod arrives and it's stuffed full with fresh vegetables and milk.
Each time it goes out, it's touching 210 households.
We got 5 people in our family. Food bank helps us because, it's hard to make a living out there nowadays.
We couldn't do it without partners like Kroger.
I've always been really proud to work at Kroger. They work really hard to change lives every single day around them.
As America's grocer, we want to do our part to help eliminate hunger in all of the communities we serve.